there, and welcome at Smully Art, one of the animated cartoon series that for sure defined my childhood were the Ghostbusters. I remember owning some of the action figures, and I know everybody at school was dreaming about getting the car, you know. Unfortunately, I never did. And I thought it was a fun idea to make a video about these characters and draw them in my own detailed comic book style. Sounds like fun? Well, let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. The Ghostbusters franchise consists of American supernatural horror comedies based on an original concept created by Dan Aykroyd and Harold Ramis in 1984. The plot centers around a group of eccentric New York scientists who investigate, encounter and capture ghosts, manifestations, demigods and demons. The franchise expanded with action figures, books, comic books, video games, television series, theme park attractions and other original Ghostbuster themed products. It all started with the first movie in 1984, a science fiction comedy film about three New York scientists. After they were fired from Columbia University, they start their own business, investigating and capturing ghosts. The film stars Bill Murray and Dan Aykroyd among others. It was released in the United States on June 8, 1984. And became one of the most successful comedies of the 1980s. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. From 1986 to 1991, Columbia Picture Television and DIC Entertainment produced an animated spin-off television series created by Harold Ramis and Dan Aykroyd. It was called The Real Ghostbusters. And the series continues the adventures of paranormal investigators Venkman, Stans, Spengler, Zeddemore and their secretary Melnitz. And their mascot ghost Slimer, of course. The Real Ghostbusters series was a real hit and was also nominated for an Emmy. And tell me guys, are there some other franchises you would like me to draw as well in my style? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of the Ghostbusters, and tell me which franchise should I draw next. Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms. It would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!